10 big symptoms of liver cirrhosis. Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. I am Dr. Neha, a liver specialist at Bharat Homeopathy. I have profound clinical knowledge and experience in treating liver diseases. Liver diseases are widespread nowadays, affecting millions of people around the world. Even sometimes they can be fatal if proper liver treatment is not taken on time. However, liver diseases exhibit some symptoms before turning into fatal ones. Today in this video, I will discuss 10 most common symptoms of liver diseases that could be a sign of bad liver health and sometimes sneak up on you if they go unnoticed. So knowing the liver symptoms early can save your health to a great extent. So before I start telling you the symptoms, let's first discuss what liver cirrhosis is. Liver cirrhosis is a chronic liver disease. It occurs when your liver gets severely scarred due to long-term damage from alcohol abuse or hepatitis or fatty liver disease. Well, scarring of liver tissues, if not treated, turns into liver failure, which is more scary and even raises other disease complications. Alright, let's jump into the symptoms that may help you determine whether you have liver issues or not. This will also guide you on when it's time to see your liver specialist and get some lab tests done. The first and the very general symptom, if you have liver or you're dealing with any kind of liver damage, is generalized weakness and fatigue. Yes, if you have any liver disease, you may experience fatigue at that time. This happens because your liver is unable to remove toxins from the blood, does not produce enough liver enzymes to regulate blood cholesterol levels, blood sugar levels, and other metabolic functions. So fatigue is common in liver cirrhosis and you will feel sick and lethargy all the time. Now, if I tell you the second symptom that is again very common if you have any kind of liver disease is loss of appetite and nausea. You may not feel hungry or you may even have less interest in food or even with the food of your choice. Alright, but why do you lose your interest in food if you have liver cirrhosis? It is because your liver does not produce enough bile to break down fats into fatty acids and remove toxins from the blood. You may feel nausea due to improper digestion of the food and retention of waste in your blood. Again, improper digestion can result in loss of appetite, which can eventually lead to weight loss. Yes, if you are losing your weight without being on a weight loss regime, then you may have a liver problem. In liver diseases, your digestion gets hampered and thus your body does not get enough nutrients to function well, leading to muscle loss and eventually weight loss. Even we have observed malnutrition is common in people with cirrhosis, affecting 20% people with compensated liver cirrhosis and 50% of people with decompensated liver cirrhosis. So I hope you figure out how common weight loss is in these people. Do you also notice a yellow tint of your skin and yellowish eyes? This could be jaundice. Jaundice occurs when your liver does not process and remove bilirubin, which is produced when your liver breaks down old red blood cells. So if you have already scarring on your liver or liver failure, then the occurrence of jaundice is common, which results in yellowness of skin and yellowness of eyes. Well, before discussing the fifth symptom, I want to guide you that symptoms of liver cirrhosis could not be present during its initial stages, but later occurs as the disease progresses. See, again, this is a possibility. It's not obvious. You may experience liver symptoms in its primary stage too. Alright, you can see dark urine and pale stools if you have liver cirrhosis. If your urine turns dark brown or your stool becomes pale, then it could be a sign that your liver is not carrying away waste from your body properly. Dark urine happens because of more bilirubin and pale stool is a sign that bile is not reaching your intestines. You can feel itching or pruritus on your skin. Okay, so if you have a question about why your skin feels so itchy in liver cirrhosis, your liver does not function properly, can't filter out the biles from your blood, leading to accumulation of these bile salts under the skin. If you have a liver disease, then it is very common. You may have itching on different parts of the body. This itching could be worse at night and it can really disturb your sleep. Now I come on the seventh symptom, which is swelling in the legs, feet and ankles. Yes, swelling can occur in cirrhosis and it's very obvious in cirrhosis as your liver loses the ability to synthesize, assimilate protein. Due to low protein in the body, swelling can occur in the pedal areas like ankles, leg, feet, etc., and make them swell and inflamed. It can become severely painful for you if you leave it untreated. Now let's come to the eighth symptom, easy bruising and bleeding. This can happen if you are dealing with any kind of liver disease. Patients with liver cirrhosis have frequent and easy bleeding tendencies. Why does this happen? This happens because of portal hypertension, which is high blood pressure in your portal venous system. This basically carries blood from your stomach, spleen, and small intestines to your liver. Portal hypertension can cause enlarged veins in the esophagus, which are called as esophageal varices, and this can lead to bleeding, which results in blood vomit. So if you have liver disease, bleeding and bruising are very common. Now let's discuss a very distinctive symptom of liver cirrhosis, which is recurrent ascites. Ascites is a common condition where the fluid gets built up in the abdomen. It's a common complication of liver cirrhosis. Ascites lead to abdominal swelling, distension, abdominal pain, and shortness of breath. The last and the most fatal symptom of liver cirrhosis can be hepatic encephalopathy. This condition occurs at the last stage of liver cirrhosis or when liver failure happens. Hepatic encephalopathy occurs when your liver does not remove toxins from the blood, and these toxins starts building up in your brain, causing forgetfulness, memory loss, confusion of mind, etc. It can also cause mood swings, altered behavior, even coma in some cases. Alright, I have told you all the possible symptoms that you may have if you are dealing with any kind of liver disorder. See, cirrhosis can be easily treated and reversed if diagnosed on time and proper treatment is taken. Your liver has a natural tendency to regenerate itself, so it requires a medicine that invigorates the liver to do its normal functions again. This can easily be achieved by holistic system of medicine. Yes, homeopathic medicines are easy on your system and bring results with no side effects and higher efficacy. Homeopathy has treated thousands of liver patients worldwide, be it cirrhosis of any stage, hepatitis, or fatty liver disease. We have obtained good results in treating patients with no side effects and no bad and heavy medicines. In my clinical practice, I have seen patients who had earlier lost hope for living because of the liver cirrhosis. They are now living a healthy and a happy life. This has become possible with a customized and personalized homeopathic treatment regime that treats the patient by considering their constitution, their specific and peculiar symptoms. At Bharat Homeopathy, we are a team of liver specialists under a single roof who have been treating liver patients for many years. We have broad experience in understanding patients' disease, conditions, and customized treatment that suit them the best. Don't wait. Just say goodbye to your liver disease with homeopathic medicines. Taking our treatment on time can truly be a blessing for you. Call us on our number and begin your liver disease-free journey today. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Bharat Homeopathy for more such health-related videos. Thank you and have a nice day.